Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this PNB ATM card. If you have this PNB ATM card and you want to change or set up the PIN for first time, if you are doing this, and I want to say that if you not able to use SMS service of your mobile phone, or you are not getting SMS, then how you can do it using the ATM machine itself. So you can do so. First of all, requesting like the video, subscribe channel for getting more videos like this. Please make 2 million subscribers by subscribing. Yes, now what we have to do, first of all we have to insert the ATM card into a ATM machine, and after that you have to choose the option from left side, that is change or create or change PIN. You have to choose that, and after that you will see an option called OTP generation. You have to click on this OTP generation and it will send you a instant OTP on your mobile phone. After that you can just enter your OTP over here to create a green PIN, or you can cancel this transaction, and after that again you have to enter your ATM PIN, as you can check out in front of you, and you have to click on the create or change PIN again, and after that you have to click on OTP validation. Don't click on OTP generation. And after that you have to enter the OTP that received on your mobile phone. When you enter the OTP, it will ask you about this new ATM PIN, and you have to enter new ATM PIN, and after that it will ask you again re-enter the ATM PIN, so that it want to check out that you entered the correct ATM PIN. Enter again, and voila, it's changed. Your ATM PIN created or changed in front of you. So that's the process. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you like this video.